Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 6 of Honeysuckle. The name of the book is Honeysuckle and the name of the chapter is Who I Am. Dear students, in this chapter we have already discussed about Radha, Nasir and Rohit. Dear students, in this chapter there are 6 children and they were expressing their views what they want to become. Okay, so in the previous class we have read about Radha. She had a desire, she had a wish to climb up the tree, and then we have also read about Nasir. He wanted to become the seed collector, and we have also read about Rohit. He had a great desire to visit many places. Okay, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss about Sarbjeet, Dolma and Peter. So just open your book of Honeysuckle and just see, it is given at the page number 71. You can see Sarbjeet. First of all, we will discuss Sarbjeet, what is his opinion, what he wants to become. Okay, just see. What makes me very angry when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth? Dear students, Sarbjeet was saying that he gets very angry when anyone is not believing on him. Why? When he tells the truth, if someone is not believing in him, then he gets very angry. He is also giving so many examples. Just see. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my work because Ravi borrowed my book and forget to return it, and sometimes when Ravi borrowed his book and forgot to return him, and on that day in the class when teacher asked for the notebook, when he said that Ravi has taken, then his teacher did not believe on him. At that moment, he gets very angry because he was telling truth, but teacher is not believing. Teacher was thinking that Sarbjeet was telling lie. At that moment, when he was speaking truth, if someone is not believing, at that time he gets very angry. He was expressing his quality that when he gets angry. Just see. If I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my work because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, and he was saying that at that moment when he was telling truth, and if someone is not believing, if its teacher is not believing on him, at that time he gets very angry. And also see, or tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little younger brother who started the fight. And at home, if he told to his parents that he did not started fight with the younger brother, okay, at that moment his parents also did not believe on him. Both were thinking that his parents were thinking that Sarbjeet started fight, but in reality, his younger brother started fight. But when he was telling truth, his parents was not believing on him. At that moment, he also again got the anger. Just see. Or I tell my parents that it wasn't me, but my little younger brother who started fight. Whenever his younger brother started fight, and when his parents came to know about fight, they thought that Sarbjeet started fight. Although Sarbjeet was telling that he did not started fight, he did not start fight, but his parents thought that he started fight. Okay, at that moment he was getting anger because Sarbjeet was telling truth. but no one was believing on him. Come to the next line. Or if tell my teacher that I really did study for the text, even if I have got marks. And at that moment also, when he got very less marks in the test, when his teacher used to ask him that he did not study at home, although he studied, but he get less mark. At that time, his teacher said that he did not study at home, although he studied. So, in this way, whenever anyone was whenever anyone was not believing on him, he gets very angry. Okay? Just see. They all took me as if they think I am telling lie. They all thought that he is telling lie. He was telling lie. Okay? The look on their face really angered me. The look on their face really angered me. Sarbajit was saying, whenever they did not believe on me, at that time, Sarbajit was saying that whenever the other people was not believing on him, at that time he gets very angry. The look on their faces really angered me, and the look of the faces of others gets very angry. Really angers me. Sarbajit was saying that whenever I saw them, I get angry. Sometimes I had to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. And sometimes for hiding his anger, what he used to do? Just see. Sometimes I had to look down at my shoes. Sarbajit was saying that sometimes he has to look on his shoes. For what? For count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. And he looked down at his shoes and started counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that he could not show his anger. Although his anger, okay, he is full of anger because people were not believing on him. At that moment, he looked on the shoes. Just see, it is written here. I looked down at my shoes. Sarbajit was saying at that moment when he was angry, he looked down on the shoes and started counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this way, he hides his anger. Okay, so that other people could not know that he is angry. Okay, so this is all about the Sarbajit, who is very honest guy, but people was not believing on him. Okay, and he gets angry at that time when people do not believe on him. Okay, students, so this is all about the Sarbajit. I hope that you all have understood. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Now we will discuss about Dolma. Dolma is a girl who is very intelligent girl and she wanted to become Prime Minister of India. Okay, now we will discuss about her. Okay, student, just see. Dolma, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. Dolma was saying that when she will grow up, she will become Prime Minister of India. And people always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. But whenever she used to say that she will become the Prime Minister of India whenever she will grow up, and at that time people laughs on her. Just see, it is written here. I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. But she was sure. Dolma is sure that she will do one day. Everyone in my class asked me what to do when they have a problem, and everyone in my class asked me what to do. Okay, whenever everyone in in her class asked to her what she will do in future, then she used to tell what? When they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. And she was saying that whenever any kind of needs arise, she will try to fulfill all the needs of the teachers and the needs of the schools. And she has also so many desires. Just see, I want to make things better for everyone. And she was also saying that she wants to make everything better for the society. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and school. And she also wants that in society there would be good hospitals, roads and school. Okay? She was saying that when she will grow up, she will become Prime Minister of India and she will make improvement. She will develop the country. Okay? And by building hospitals, roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for disease and send a spaceship to Mars. And she was also saying that she is sure there are many good scientists in India. When she will become the Prime Minister of India, at that time there will be so many scientists, and who will, what they will do? They will invent cure for disease. She was saying that they will invent cure for disease and send a spaceship to Mars, and she will also send a space ship on Mars. Okay, students, so this is all about the Dolma. Dolma wanted to become what? Prime Minister of India. In this way, after becoming the Prime Minister of India, she wants to develop the country by establishing the hospitals, school and new roads. And she was also saying that at that time there will be so many scientists who will cure the diseases. And she will also send a Mars ship on a spaceship on the Mars. Okay, students. So this is all about the Dolma. And come to the next child, that is Peter. And Peter is also a very good child. Now we will discuss about Peter. And she was he is boy. Okay, Peter is a boy, and he is expressing that whenever he used to go in the hall, in cinema hall with their parents, okay, with his parents, at that time he gets very much enjoy. Just see. My favorite day is second Sunday of every month. He was saying that his favorite day is second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always go to the cinema hall to see a film. And he was also saying that on the second Sunday, his whole family goes to cinema hall to see a film. He was saying that on the second Sunday of the month, every month, on the second Sunday, his parents, his brother, and his grandfathers goes to where? They went to cinema hall to watch a movie. Just see. My father gets ticket in advance. And all of us, my grandmothers and my parents, my two brothers and I take bus there. And now just see. Peter was explaining that his father already booked the tickets for the cinema halls. And who will go to see the cinema? His parents, grandmothers, and two brothers, and Peter himself. Take the bus there. On that day, they took the bus to go for the cinema. In the interval, my father buys some peanuts, and he was also explaining that during the interval, okay, at that time his father buy some what? Peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the films. And he was also explaining that he used to love to sit in the dark and watching the movies and having peanuts. Just see. I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. And afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. He was also saying that he always stopped. His father did not give him ice cream. Everyone is in good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. And everyone was very glad mood, in a very glad mood, very good mood. Okay, after watching the movies. And he was also saying that he was very lucky that his family was so nice, his family was so good. Okay, students? So this is all about the children. These are the voices of these children. Okay, students, in this chapter, who I am, here there are six children. They are expressing their views. Okay, Radha had a habit, okay, a hobby to climb on the trees. Nasir wants to become seed collector. Rohit had a desire, if he had enough money, he will travel and travel and travel all over the world. Sarvajit, he was very honest boy. Okay, he always used to speak the truth, but people do not believe on him. At that moment, he gets angry. And Dolma, she wanted to become the Prime Minister of India, and in this way, after becoming the Prime Minister of India, she wanted to develop the country by establishing roads, hospitals, and schools. And she had also desired to send send a spaceship on Mars, and to invent the cures for the diseases. And Peter is explaining about his family, and he was explaining that on the second Sunday, his family visit for the cinema hall to watch the cinema. Okay, so these are the voices of the children. So students, this is all about the chapter. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.